Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo, and as you can see, we got my new 2020 YZ450 here. We got the homie Braap over there, vibing out with his 2022 Cali, showing me up. I got 2020, got the 22.
I'm doing it together, bro.
No, I'm playing. She's looking so clean though, bro.
Damn, look, new rag.
Damn, you got the carbon fiber tip on there.
$1,400.
Oh, I bet, bro. Them exhausts are expensive.
That shoots fat flames, though.
Oh.
So fire, bro.
It sound a lot louder, like meaner with it. Definitely.
It still has the silencer on. I never took the silencer off.
Well, on the inside, it's still
right there.
sound good, bro.
I left that shit on there. I ain't taking that.
Yeah, dude. Freaking, this is about to be the first little cry. I'm gonna warm her up for y'all. This thing got VP in it, bro. Like the race gas.
What?
Yeah. Well, he put a full tank of it, so I was like, I'm just gonna ride with it and see how it is. You can smell it. It smells like blueberry. This is crazy, bro. So as you guys know, I just got the bike and I haven't ridden it at all. All I did was a test ride and a ride by my crib. And now we're here at this lot and we're just gonna vibe out. Dude, it's crazy. Holy crap. It's so crazy just coming from all my other bikes straight to a big 450. Oh my sheesh.
How's that run?
Amazing, bro. It's just that new tire, it like
Sucks.
I don't know what to, like, if I should just do a big burnout and
Bro.
just rub it all out. Bro, I just tried to kickstart this, bro. I don't. No kickstart. No, I'm just used to it. I'm like, I was about to kick it.
125.
Yeah. Let's go. Dude, I just did that huge burnout and like, there's still so much. Yo, but like, my first impressions of the YZ125, it feels like my 150, but with like 6 times the power. That's what it feels like. I like waved at that guy. I didn't know if he was looking at me or not. Bro, this thing had so much engine brake. It's crazy. Like, dude, it's got so much engine brake. Ooh. Ooh. That's the thing with this, like this bike, it's just like, you could be almost like past 12 o'clock and you barely got to touch the rear brake because just the engine brake is just pulling you forward. And I don't even know if I told you, but I was telling Braap, the guy I bought it from, he put VP in it. So I don't know if it's like the 110 VP or like the whatever, the crazy race VP or a little blower. But you can smell, like, the gas smells sweet. And I love it. And I think that's why it feels a little more torquey. I'm gonna do a video where I try out all the maps and let you guys know which map I think is the best for wheelies. But today is sort of just a first ride chilling with Braap. Thank you. I appreciate that, bro, for real. No, that's perfect, bro. I appreciate that.
We're good. You can swerve a little bit?
Shit,
I'm standing in the middle, shit. I need you to swerve on me.
I can do a little one.
Closest.
No, I can't do it with these tires. They're brand new.
Just talking about that shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stand in the middle of the street, bro.
Yeah, I'll just
like this close, like close this. Like to the point where this, like.
Bro, I'm gonna hit you if I do that. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm gonna hit you if I get that.
This guy was swerving on me. Literally was this close, like.
Yeah, but I got a new. Bro, this is a new bike, new tire. I'm a worm.
At least like.
Okay, I'm gonna hit him. I said I was gonna swerve you. I was gonna swerve you.
Go ahead, let it go.
Alright. Hey, stand right here. And I'm gonna go right there. That's all I got. The little baby swerve.
That could be the last clip.
No, but if you have any clips or anything,
Bro,
feel free to send it, or if you make some.
I'm already ahead of you, bro.
Alright.
You.
Little thing, little baby. Bro, give me 2 months on this thing, and I'll be like Braap when he had his Shinkos. It's fucking.
That shit was crazy. You know what? I got one of the sickest kicks I'm seeing in Miami with the fucking Shinkos. Nigga, I was like swerving. I was coming off, was turning. You know, you're not gonna know how you turn.
Yeah.
The guy's like, it looks like a roller coaster, and I got swerves on it. See the whole pack behind me. Insane.
Holy I almost ate right there, bro. Oh my. Holy balls, bro. As y'all know, like, I've been wanting a 450 for the longest flipping time, and the moment has come, and like, my heart is literally pounding 1,000 miles per hour. Just, dude, I did a huge burnout, and I still got all my tread. Like, but a little walk around real quick. It's clean, bro. The exhaust. Woo. Y'all let me know in the comments. Should I gotten a Kawasaki or a YZ? Personally, I think the YZ was the best choice. It's just such a smooth and reliable bike. I remember Zach had one of those and it blew up right away, so that's sort of why I'm sticking away from that. But let's hop back on the freaking. Can hit circles still. It's pretty crazy. It's my first time doing. I keep stalling her out. I keep stalling her out though. This is my first time doing like circles on a big 450 like that. Alright, well, I got the YZ450 loaded. That's the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I don't really know if I'm gonna make this a first ride or just riding with Braap yet, so I don't really know. This might be a first ride, but I don't really think it is a first ride because I want to take it in dirt and like street both at the same time because it is a dirt bike. So this is probably not the official first ride, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing a little behind the scenes of Braap, which is always cool. Fellow YouTuber, shout out to homie, check out his channel. And yeah, I freaking love you. We have merch in the description down below. Till next time, peace.